Our Earth receives most of its energy called radiation from the sun. This energy is electromagnetic radiation to visible spectrum with small amounts of infrared and ultraviolet radiation. So the incoming solar energy passes through the atmosphere's rays and manifests to reach to the Earth's surface. The greenhouse effect has become practically exaggerated. That is caused a dangerous global warming process that is exciting the melting pole ice caps and the level sea rise is increasing about the level of the globe.
This is our atmosphere to then contribute to the greenhouse the carbon dioxide, water and methane. These gases absorbed to the atmosphere be emitted to the Earth, and the Earth cools. This causes greenhouse.
This energy is called radiation. This is weather y ya está.
El dióxido de carbono, methane and water. These gases absorb the infrared radiation emitted by the Earth and warm the Earth.